So many of them here. Today's first mushroom on the mountain, a fresh tall green mushroom, glowing softly under the morning light. Its cap still carries the shine of last night's dew, as if the forest gently handed it to me as a welcome gift. Such a big one. Found it, haha. What a surprise, hidden beneath the leaves. This one must have been growing quietly for days, slowly gathering strength until it reached this size. A huge golden bolete, truly massive, with a warm yellow glow like polished wood. Its stem is thick, its body firm, a good sign of a healthy, well-grown mushroom. Let's bring it along. Is this a chanterelle? Nope, it's a mamuji, a real mamuji, with its unique curves and soft, pale color. It's always fun when the forest tries to trick your eyes. Found a bitter black mushroom here. This one isn't edible. It's known to be unsafe. So instead of disturbing it, let's gently cover it back with soil and let nature handle it in its own time. So many red mushrooms here, but around our area, people usually don't pick these. They're mostly left behind, adding color to the forest floor like tiny scattered lanterns. Found a pair here. 2 mushrooms growing close together, leaning toward each other as if whispering secrets. Let's take the wife first. And you're coming too. Found another little buddy. Come with me. Even the smallest ones feel like treasures when the forest decides to show them to you. Ancient tree mushroom. Little one. They often grow quietly where old roots sleep. A reminder of how life continues in unexpected corners. What kind of mushroom is this? Looks similar to a chanterelle. They're everywhere today, as if the whole forest woke up early just to greet us with surprises. A potato family mushroom rodent category. Still a copper green mushroom. Nature loves blending families and colors together, making each find a small puzzle to recognize. Another ancient tree mushroom, hidden in the shade, shaped beautifully, as if carved from soft wood. Wow. Look, everyone. I found 2 giant yellow boletes. At first, I thought they were 2 big eggs, resting quietly under the fallen leaves. Such enormous yellow boletes. What a great find. Days like this remind me why I love foraging. So thick, even bigger than my face. Such amazingly thick yellow boletes, with a warm, golden tone that feels almost unreal. There's another one here. 2 giant yellow boletes. Truly a lucky day. The forest must be in a generous mood. Such a large mushroom. What kind is this? It looks just like a sunflower. Yes, shaped exactly like one. Beautiful and bright. Not sure if it's safe to eat. Better return it to its spot and let it decorate the forest. Even the moss here is growing wood deer mushrooms. Golden wood ear, soft and delicate, glowing warmly in the filtered sunlight that slips through the canopy above. Such a large tree lingy. Let's take that home. Finding one this size is always exciting. It feels like discovering a quiet gem in the middle of the woods, growing beautifully like this. That's all for today. Heading home with half a basket. See you next time. Remember to like and follow, and join me again on the next journey into the mountains. Hello, back to foraging again today. Here's a small bolete lying on the ground. Feels like it might have been knocked over by a passing sheep. Maybe the sheep even took a little nibble. Let's bring it along, still a lovely find. Found a bolete here. Such a perfect little bolete, like a tiny dried fish. So beautiful, with its cap shaped like a small umbrella. Carefully crafted by nature. What kind of mushroom is this? Half of it has been eaten by insects. Better not take risks. Let's put it back and let the forest creatures finish their meal. Another red one. Green mushroom found an old man head. 2 of them. Its root goes deep, anchored firmly into the damp soil. Little one, let's cover you safely. Chanterelles, so many chanterelles here. Here too, such a big chanterelle, with that signature golden curve. We'll take them all, as they're in perfect condition today. Such a big one. Copper green mushroom. Growing right next to the chanterelle. Chanterelle. It's funny how different species sometimes choose to grow side by side. Wow, such a large one. A huge yellow bolete. Truly impressive. So big. Feels satisfying to find one like this. Let's bring it along. Haiti. Found a huge yellow bolete. Looks like half might have been nibbled by a sheep, but most of it is still in good shape. Growing right here worth taking. Copper green mushroom. A red scallion. Bolete and a delicious bolete discovered nearby. A wonderful way to end today's walk through the forest.